Hey everybody, so really quickly I want to talk to you about the fact that you don't get your wife a vacuum cleaner for a present ever. Hold that thought. This is an unboxing. Now, when I grew up, it was sort of the butt of the joke that someone's husband who didn't know them would buy them a vacuum for a present. And that was really frowned upon. And then I found myself in a particularly weird situation. Because my wife said, you know what I really want? I want a vacuum. I want a nice Dyson cordless vacuum. And I was like, what? This is not a paid advertisement. They're not paying me to say anything. This is all on me. This is my whatever worth. So let me adjust you guys because you look like you're looking down. I may have done that on my own. Get you up here. Okay, so voila, the Dyson V11 torque drive. Torque, T-O-R-Q-U-E, torque. It started off with, hold on. All right, listen, it's just you and me talking right now, okay? It started off years ago. I met my wife and I had one of those old 1980s Kirby's that had the metal front that when you run across the ground, it like pulled the carpet up from the floor. I think I bought it in an auction from a school. Anyway, I had that. It was very, very, very heavy and, let's face it, dangerous. My wife had a Dirt Devil, one of the little $30 ones that you get at Walmart, and it worked fine for a lot of years, even though the belt would break or it would get caught up in a bunch of hair and it would make a smoking smell. And anyway, we kept it alive. We did fine. Then we upgraded to a Shark, which is kind of a bigger unit, and it worked fine for a lot of years. It had all kind of little doodad attachments. Until it didn't, until it stopped working as good. And we decided that it's time to upgrade to something real, something bigger. So with that in mind, she one day came to me and she says, hey, these are on sale for $100 off. And it was for the V8 model. I don't know what the V is supposed to stand for. Peace, I guess. Vector, whatever. We looked at it, it was okay. But watching some YouTube videos of some people out there that are very clever and very smart, way smarter than I am, we fell in love with this one. And so this is sort of an unboxing. We ordered it online. It did take a couple days to get here. We ordered it from Dyson, not from anywhere else. We looked at the one on Amazon, but this was a better price actually. Because the one on Amazon, while it was cheaper, it didn't come with the wall attachment that you could charge it with. And that was an $80 add-on. This included it. So this is what you get when you unbox it. Right here, it's got a scan your code deal for your, whatever, register, I guess. We got some paperwork here. A little charger, huh? I'm guessing a hose of some kind. Just a box. We got some attachments here. Another attachment. This looks like the head, the main thing that you do the floor with. Picture it. Some other attachment. I guess it would help if I open this. I gotta say, this is packaged really sturdy. This would be our wall-mounted charger port. More charger port stuff. More charger port stuff. I have a lot to read. Every one of these has something in it so far. This is another attachment. I just got to get it out of its box. It's packaged really well. Did I mention that? That's actually empty. A tiny little roller thing. I guess this is for your stairs. A little brush. Alright, this is the main unit, it feels like. Got some steadiness, some girth to it. It looks like a gun. Right now I just set up all kind of alarms and buzzers on social media because I said the word gun. Ooh. Ooh. English? Oui. English. Hold the button. English selected. I got like a little screen on the back here. I gotta fully charge it before I can use it. You guys see that? It's an LCD screen on the back. Alright, so I need to charge this, seriously. I don't need to play with it anymore, I need to read. I gotta read now, okay? I'm gonna read, and then I'm gonna put it all together. I gotta unwrap my hose, too. I think this is a... yeah. Ooh, it's pretty, like a lightsaber. Just me? Okay. I'll be back. So the vacuum is fully loaded. You can see on the back the LCD screen. There's buttons on here. You can choose 3 different settings: the Eco, the Boost, and the Auto. Auto, it'll automatically select what you need for the type of carpet you have, and the Boost is like super strong. This piece fit into the canister with just that clip that unhooks. My finger's on it. The finger, yeah, it just clips right in, real easy. And then it's got a trigger button that you just squeeze.
Super light. See that?
That's Auto, or that's Eco. That sounds a little more strong. And then Boost. Wow.
You try it. I'll hold the camera. You can just feel the power in it change.
The camera's over here.
Okay.
Alright.
Feel how light it is for one thing.
And it shows like on Eco I got 63 minutes that I can record.
Not record.
Or not record, to vacuum. If I change it to Auto,
I think it will give you a...
it says 37, because that's like your middle range.
Right.
If I go to Boost, 12 minutes.
But feel the...
Oh yeah, you feel a difference. I think it just keeps on the afterburner. Can you hear it?
But feel how light it is.
Look at the stuff in the canister.
Yeah.
And this is a room that's cleaned pretty regularly. Very cool. I dig it.
With your camera. Your phone on your camera.
try on the stairs.
Okay, stop it. I'll get another one. Move from one to the other so smooth. No cord has to have in behind you. Look how it does.
We have pivots. So anyway, we made. I was talking earlier about how it's a terrible idea to give your wife a vacuum cleaner for her any kind of present because it's a horrible, awful idea. How are you happy with it so far?
Oh, I love it. You buy your wife a Dyson, she don't care.
So this is cool. All right, so we're learning how to discharge the contents. I think you push it forward.
Oh.
Look at there. It opens up that front, and it comes right out. All you got to do is push that thing forward. That's it. That's all you got to do. How cool is that?
Wow. Oh, simple.